Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another video for the alphabet makeup challenge. Today's letter is J. Yay! So the words that I got were jewel, which I kind of hope I get because that would be really fun to do. Jelly, jelly bean, jigsaw, jackfruit, which is an inside joke between me and my school class. Juice, jaguar, jalapeno, and Jamaica. So I'ma just ask Siri which one out of the 9 I'ma do. Okay, so I got number 5, which is jackfruit. So they're kind of like a really smelly fruit, and they've got like a green layer. They kind of look like a little bit like a mango, but more textured. So green on the outside and then yellow on the inside, so like a hybrid between a mango and a pineapple and an avocado. I don't know, but let's get started. So I got my base makeup done, and as I said before, a jackfruit's kind of like green and yellow, so I'm thinking, because the outside's green, I'm gonna do like a half eye kind of thing. I'm gonna do green eyeshadow here and yellow eyeshadow here, because I don't really have a palette that has both of those colors in it. I'm gonna just go in a few palettes, but she'll be right. So I'm just gonna go into my androgyny palette and use the shade Military, which is the shade here, and I'm just gonna use this on my outer half. So because this green is like a little too yellowy, I'm gonna try and mix it in with my shade in the Alien palette called Flying Saucer, which is that one right there. I'm gonna go into my Thirsty palette and go into the shade Quench and use this on my inner half. Okay, so I have an idea with this look because of the inside of a jackfruit, which is the yellow bit, is kind of like stringy and pulpy, and so I'm gonna do like yellow stripes coming out of the yellow and then kind of like coming into the green part, and then on the green I'm gonna do like little green and black or whatever colored kind of dots to mimic the textured spotty outside of the jackfruit, if that makes sense. So I've got my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the Queen Bee, and I'm just going to mix a little bit of that with my concealer just to make it a little bit more runnier and easy to work with. I think that looks pretty decent, and I try not to keep the lines too symmetrical, so I think it does a really good job. Just with that yellow on my brush, I'm just gonna like pat this in to try and set it. Going in with my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Equality and doing the same blend with my concealer, and I'm gonna just do dots. So I've kind of winged it out just for it to like look super cool. And using my green brush from before, I'm just going to use that to set this too. Okay, and on my lower lash line, I'm just going to go back into my Alien palette and use the shade Black Hole, that bottom one, on my lower lash line. And just using my green brush from before, I'm going to blend that out. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to go into that shade Pluto. For eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop eyeliner in the shade Punch and Teaspoon, and I'm going to use Punch on my inner half and Teaspoon on my outer half. And for my timeline, just my Maybelline in Black. For mascara, I'm going to use my Benefit Bad Girl Bang. And for lipstick today, I'm just going to go in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Christmas Cookie. And this is the final look. It was actually really fun to do, and I wasn't even really wanting to do this one, so I'm glad I did because it looks super dope. It looks so cool. I really love how it turned out. There's nothing really more to say. I am in love with this look, and especially look at that blended eyeliner. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this one, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!